Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Before I forget, I always forget in the videos, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, leave a comment, tell me what you wanna see, and we'll get it to you. In this video, I am using this is the hand wrapper, CRB hand wrapper. And I did buy the extension for it so I can hold 4 spools of thread. We used our CRB butt wrap alignment tool to measure out our measurements. In this video, we are going to use the Pro Wrap Color Fast. This is color 860, is black. We're going to use the Pro Wrap Color Fast 216 is the number. It's an orange. We're going to use our burnishing tool, our snips. We'll use some painter's tape. And I laid this stuff out with a Crayola washable marker because I reuse these blanks a lot and that it washes right off. But all these products can be found right here at mudhole.com. They are not a sponsor. They give me no incentive to advertise for them. I mean, I'm just showing you what I use. You can use whatever you want. And we're gonna get right into it. This video is gonna be a Chevron wrap. I've done it about a year ago, and it was a pretty lame video, so I want to do another one and update the video and show you what I've learned over the last year and how fast it is. And it's a baseline for a lot of wraps. We'll get right into it. Okay, so we're gonna start out the video with getting our tape on. We'll use the painter's tape. I use the painter's tape. Some people use the double-sided tape, but I've had this roll of painter's tape. I can't even count how many rods, 20, 30 rods. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wrap around a complete turn, and then we're just gonna turn back around. It gives you the sticky side up and it holds your thread. People could do it without it. I can do it without it. I choose not to because it's just, if you can do it easier, I mean, I don't have to fight with anything. I just wrap, you know what I'm saying? You take this time to say, don't forget, subscribe to the channel. We have the members page only. I'm going to be fast forwarding a lot of this video, and some of the members perks are going to be, I'm going to post the full video unedited. So I mean, that way I don't have to post hour-long videos on my regular channel. I can just fast forward it, and if you're interested in how I lay it out, what products and all that stuff. I already showed you in this video what products I'm using. I'm not sponsored by Mudhole in any means. I have no affiliation with them at all. These are just where I bought these products. So we're going to do the Chevron wrap today. And we're going to do, let's say, in this video we're going to do 1 row of black, then 2 rows of orange, then 3 rows of black, then 4 rows of orange. And then we'll just maybe outline it with black again. And then we'll keep this wrap on there. And then we'll be doing another video of the reverse Chevron wrap. And all that is you reverse the way that you did that first one. I like to do my chevrons going up the rod and then back down the rod for the reverse. I mean, you can do it sideways, and it's just all how you lay it out. So we're just going to start right out with our black, like we said. you hit our dots. Sometimes I hit the dots so good I can't even tell if I hit them or not. So I have to pick up to make sure I'm on it. Okay. And we're just gonna reverse and come back. See, I made my dots so small I can't even tell where they are. So okay. I'm gonna put a line. What I'm gonna do here is, just because I made my dots so small and I'm using a size D thread, I'm gonna make my dots a little bigger so I can tell that I hit my dot. Make my dot bigger than the thread. Okay, let's try this again. I won't edit that out because I want you to see the things that I go through. See, now when we go over that dot, we can see it. I had my dot too small, so it was the exact same size as my thread. So I was wondering if I hit, you know, when I'm coming back around, you want to hit on your dot. Because I try to lay these out to go with the spine when I got, when I'm doing a customer's rod, because you want the chevron to be appealing to the eye. So what we're going to do here is I want to hit right on the center of that big dot we just made. Okay, I'm gonna get some more light over here closer. Be able to see a little, make it easier for you guys to see. We're gonna use our little snippers we bought from mudhole.com. And now we did our one pass of black, so we're just going to do 2 fast passes of the orange, and I'm going to be on the outside of the thread. If you keep them tight while you're doing it, there's less adjusting later on. Yeah, it's hard to do it perfect, so you will have to adjust. There's no way around it, but it's just less work you have to do. biggest concern, because you'll get sidetracked and think about other things and just be rapping and then forget where you even was. Alright, that's our 4 of the orange. We're going to tighten them back up again. I like these orange and black together. They really make a nice color. Okay, so we got 1 black, 2 orange, 3 black, 4 orange. So we're going to do 5 black next. And then we're just gonna do 6 orange, and then we may, I like to outline the last one, so we'll probably put 1 black on the outside just to emphasize the colors. That's 5. They go quick. Chevron is a real easy wrap to do, and like I said, it's the base to just about every wrap you will ever do will be part of a Chevron wrap. So you really, that's why I'm so fast at it, because if you really watch some of my other videos, you'll see the chevrons in them. Better. It's a nice looking chevron though. Okay, so now we're going to do our 6 orange, and then we'll do 1 accent of black around it, but this is our final one for what I want to do, because I'm going to do a reverse chevron on this rod. It'll be in the next video on how to do the reverse chevron. So I want to leave room in between here, because whatever this distance is here, you're going to have again coming back. So you want to, I mean, you could do the chevron like this and then put a little small diamond wrap in the center. I mean, there's just so much you can do. You could do a new wrap every day and not do the same one twice. That's our 6. So I'm not going to tighten it up this time, because we're only going to do 1 more row of black, then we'll tighten everything up, and the wrap will be finished. I always pull my last thread tighter as I'm doing it. Just put more tension on it. It helps hold things better. With the blue blank, the color on the accent color on the end is harder to see, but when you're using like a white blank or a gray blank, it really makes it pop better. So I'm just in a habit of doing it. Plus, see, when you go across those, now you can see it there, but on the blank you don't see it. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, first thing I like to do is, these threads will loosen up. So I'm just gonna put a piece of tape here just to hold this so I know they can't unravel. I have done a wrap and then everything unraveled on me, and that was a horrible day when you spend 9 hours on a wrap, because a lot of my wraps, well, I'd say 95-98% of my wraps I do from the reel seat all the way to the first guide. So these wraps are huge, they're really long, and when they unravel, it ruins your day, because I hardly ever get time to work on something for 9 hours at a time. So that could have been 2 hours here, 3 hours there for a week, and then it all unraveled. Well, there it is. Excuse me. There it is. Chevron. A nice chevron wrap. And in one of the next videos, I'm going to reverse and show you the reverse chevron wrap. But that's a nice wrap right there. It's the base to just about every wrap that we do. The orange and black really don't go with this blue blank, but it's just what I had on hand, and I didn't even think about it when I was doing it. And if I would have thought about it, I would have used different colors. But the orange and black is what I was doing for another rod at the time. But thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned. We got a lot going on the channel. The membership is coming up. We're going to be showing all unedited videos for members. Certain members get access to all that. I might even be doing rod building classes. We just got a lot going on. I'm going to be redoing some of the old videos. I'm going to try to post 3 times a week. Right now I do post twice a week and go live once. Try to get more guests on the live feed. Just got a lot going on. I really appreciate all of you, and we're gonna go to the reverse chevron next. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.